have been told that you have a heart murmur. Well, what exactly is a heart murmur? A heart murmur is just a sound that your doctor hears when he uses a stethoscope to listen to your heart. Now, normally we don't necessarily hear blood moving from one chamber of your heart to the next, but if we do, it's called a heart murmur. Many heart murmurs are completely benign. They're called physiologic. It just means that because of your body size or where your heart is, we can hear blood moving in your chambers. But it may be a sign of an underlying valvular heart problem. There's two major valve problems that cause murmurs. One is called stenosis, where the valve doesn't open correctly, and the other is called regurgitation, where the valve opens okay, but blood leaks back through the valve when it closes, causing a murmur. Now, the best way to check out a heart murmur is with a test called an echocardiogram, or heart ultrasound. That test looks at the heart, looks at the valves, looks at the pump, and can tell you exactly what's going on with your valves. That's the best way to check out your heart murmur.